Good day, everyone, and welcome to weekly Forex recap, April of 8th. And we have trading ideas set up as each Monday. So before we start, have in mind that everything you see here is my personal opinion only, and Indian Forex are leveraged products that can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So please educate yourselves on the risk associated with Forex market before you start trading. Okay, guys, trading rules, always the same, always, we don't change it. And of course, this webinar is being recorded and it will be uploaded to our ECS YouTube channel. So again, if you are new to this, please see these rules before you start trading. These are results for the previous week, and we had a very good week, except for, of course, the BTC dollar, the Bitcoin that actually hit the stop loss. But then again, last couple of weeks, for all of you who traded my setups on the Bitcoin dollar, you probably had, as I showed results, very good trades. I personally trade Forex only, but per your request, I've been doing the Bitcoin dollar analysis. Okay, euro dollar was good for 45 pips. GBP dollar alternative buy was 20 pips. But well, if you went into a sell, you could have made a bit more. But I need to count the result per my rules because we take only one trade, whichever hits first. The Australian dollar was good for 90 pips. The dollar CAD was good for 80 pips. Bitcoin dollar was the only loss for 100 pips, and gold was good for 140 pips as a positional sell. So total pip pool was 275. And the trade of the week were the Australian dollar and the gold. Okay, this is what euro dollar gave us. So as you can see, we had a sell exactly at 12.50. The price dropped to 12.06 and then proceeded up. So this was a nice sell, and I hope that you also went into a long position. For example, today on my live channel, I gave a trade for traders who trade with our ECS live paid Telegram service. I gave a trade for a nice result, and it was approximately 37 pips on our ECS live. I think that the trade was because it's Monday. I think it's very good, and you can see it here. This is ECS live, and we secured 37 pips. So of course, this is our paid service. So if you want to have it, you can subscribe for it. These are free webinars, so you can also enjoy free one. But on paid service, of course, you will have full trade management and more setups. GBP dollar, it was also good for 20 pips, as you can see from this spot here. The price went here and then it shoot it up. It didn't continue to the upside, but in fact, if you sold it here at 31.90, well, you could have made much more. But as I say, I need to count the result only for this, so total 20 pips possible. The Australian dollar was the trade of the week, exactly from 71.30 rejection. Perfect rejection from the POC zone to 70.50. So you could have made a nice pips with the Australian dollar. I think that the Australian dollar is really especially for new traders, it's something that you should definitely try to trade because the movement is not that big. It's slow, and the newbie traders can, of course, benefit from the Australian dollar. Of course, we also had a nice trade on our paid Telegram service for Australian dollar Swissy, and this was basically 13 pips today. So today we already made 50 pips on ECS live channel. For this, the Australian dollar, as you can see, there was a nice pip pool of 90 pips. Dollar CAD was in downtrend. And again, we had a sell at 33.95 and buy at 32.90. And basically what happened, the price rejected from 32.96, so it was in the zone, straight towards 33.75. So you could have made 80 pips overall, of course, if you managed to get everything here. So 80 pip pool. But by the way, pip pool is a term I use for the maximum available number of pips you could have made on my setups. The Bitcoin dollar was a loss. It was the Bitcoin was a loss. So Bitcoin is basically, you see here, it went up. Let me check the sound. Guys, I see that there is no sound. Can we check it? Can we? Let's see if there is a sound. Just type if you can hear me, or if you don't hear me, just, yeah, it's fine. Okay, thank you. So yeah, it was probably something with internet connection or whatever. But guys, okay. So here you can see how the Bitcoin actually went up, and unfortunately, well, it was a loss. Huge spike from the POC zone up, and this is now an uptrend in the Bitcoin dollar. So I think it's a safer thing to buy a dip if you are a Bitcoin trader. Gold was good, as I said, for 140 pips. Straight rejection from our alternative sell. Yeah, guys, this was a typo. This should be a sell, positional sell 1300, 1305 stop, and this was actually alternative buy, but it doesn't matter. The sell went fine, the 1295, and it dropped. So if you traded gold also with all of these setups, then you could have made some nice pips. This is the full result for the last week. Now let's get moving to actually this week's setups. Euro dollar is in downtrend. Well, it's still in downtrend. I said today 1290 basically is the target for my trade, and I closed the trade around the 1269, I think, or 68, something like that, because well, it was also resistance there, and we already made almost 100% of its ATR. The ATR of the euro dollar is 45 pips, and we made 37 pips. So that is why I said close it earlier. But then again, guys, this is a possible new setup on the euro dollar. Sell position around 1290, stop loss 1320, TP 1230, alternative buy 1230, stop loss 1180, TP 1340. And I will answer questions later. Ilya is saying hi. Thanks, Ilya. Very good, and hi to you. Very good trading. It's really well, full time. So euro dollar, let me show you the euro dollar. Let me just open the chart. Euro dollar here, guys. Yeah, I think that if the price gets there, it's a weekly H5. We also have historical sellers there. Watch this, guys. Order block here. So I think this could be a sell, especially if it happens in late New York trading. I think during Asia session, euro dollar could go down, then reject, and maybe make a leg. I'm not saying that this is the final leg higher, and then euro dollar should drop. But as I say, guys, protect 20 pips when you are in trade, especially if you go sleeping. Put your trail stop, or I use Expert Advisor to close the trade for 20 pips if I go to sleep. So yeah, this is a potential rejection. Also, timing is important when the trade happens. 1230 is a buy, so yeah, here it is. If the price drops here, I think this could be another buy, but this is inverted head and shoulders now, and there is a potential even for this zone here, 1340, guys. So pay attention to this. If it breaks 1290, it could go there. I think this could be a nice sell initially if the price gets there. So watch for the level, the zone. GBP dollar downtrend 3090 sell, stop 3120, TP 2980, alternative buy 2980, stop loss 2950, TP 3090. So we have the GBP dollar. Of course, also my Cameroon MACD. This is also Now downtrend. So I think this is the zone here, POC zone. If the price makes it here, it will be another retest of head and shoulders, guys. You see, this is head and shoulders pattern here, and this is left head, right shoulder. We had a T89 at the right shoulder. Now the price might go for a retest, so I would sell it here. I'm also watching this for my ECS Live members, so we might have a sell if the price gets there and I get a signal from my Camarilla MACD. By the way, guys, Camarilla MACD is doing very, very well, especially on, yeah, you can find it on my FX book. I have a link there, so yeah, it's perfectly fine. FXD Real Live Telegram channel, guys. We are making nice profits, and I started it at December 2018 when I did a full upgrade to my Camarilla MACD method. Okay, GBP dollar, this is it. Okay, now we go to another pair. Of course, the Australian dollar 70.90 is a buy, stop loss 70.50, TP 71.50, sell is 71.50, stop loss 71.20, TP 70.90. So yeah, this is a typo here, of course. Yeah, 71.80. We go with 30 pips stop plus the spread and whatever. Okay, this is it. The Australian dollar. Let me show you the Australian dollar. Okay, now this looks like it could go up, and it could go up, guys, definitely. But 71.50 is a strong, strong resistance. This is the level where I would try to see for a short trade. Look how many sellers are there. A lot of historical sellers here. So this is the zone to reject. If we see a rejection, well, it could be fine, because I think that the Australian dollar will also go to the upside. So watch for that, guys. Sell is 71.50, buy is 17.90. Yeah, 17.90. This is a buy zone. Of course, this is the sell zone. Okay, let's go for more. Dollar CAD. Yeah, it's ranging now. 33.95, stop loss 34.20, TP 32.90, alternative buy 32.90, stop 32.60, TP 33.50. So 33.95 is a sell for the dollar CAD. Let me open the dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. Just give me a few seconds. Should be there. Yeah. This is the dollar CAD now, guys. The price is ranging. You see, this is the range, and you see how flat now is market. Also, I don't have a trend. My template Camarilla MACD MTF changes color based on trend, and now we are flat, neutral. So I would say again 33.95, 32.90. Possible sell there. 33.95. It needs to go there, guys, and it needs to drop if you want to buy it. It still needs to drop a bit if you want to buy it. It's ranging. A Bitcoin dollar 50.80 is buy, 49.80 stop, TP 55.10, sell is 55.10, stop loss 55.60, TP 50.80. I don't recommend putting more than, of course, 1% of risk for each trade. Bitcoin dollar, let's see the bit. Of course, you are the master. You're masters of your own trade management. I cannot interfere with it, but I always say I have a strict money management rules, and I always say start with low risk, and then if you lose few trades and your system is good, you can compensate by doubling the lot size. But because of that, you need to start with low risk. That is at least how Camarilla MACD is working. So this is 50.80 buy, sell is 55.10, 50.80 is a buy. So if the price drops to 50.80, we might see a possible buy. You see, this is an order block, big order block here, and actually rejection spot, and we have a confluence. So this is a buy trade. 55.80 is sorry guys, yeah, 55.10 exactly here at daily H5. It could reject to the downside, so watch for that also. It's important that the price actually gets there first, but I think this could be a buy first if the price retraces. And finally, gold 12.95 because it's in uptrend. Stop loss 12.90, TP 13.08, sell is 13.08, stop 13.30, TP 12.95. So gold 12.95, gold, XAU, USD. Let me show you the gold. Yeah, here it is, 13.80 here, guys, weekly H5. A lot of sellers here. Here we have an order block and a lot of sellers. So I guess the price could turn there. You see, 13.08. And of course, if you want to buy 12.90 here, this is a confluence, guys. So this could be a buy. So yeah, I will roll slides later. Now let me answer your questions. Guys, ask me questions now about pairs, so we don't lose time. Euro, CAD, and then we can finish when if you have something to ask, go ahead and ask me. Euro CAD. Let's see, Euro CAD. Yeah, we had a downtrend. This was the last chance to go down, but obviously this signal, yeah, we had a losing trade last week, but we compensated with more wins, of course. So you see here, this was the change of a trend, and then the price went up. So the price is flat now. I don't see any trend. My template is white, so I don't see any trend. Velislav, for EuroCAD, I cannot tell you. It could go up, but it could also drop, because you see it's inverted head and shoulders. The price didn't continue above this spot, and now it's dropping. It doesn't have a clear trend to me. So I can't say anything what can happen. I'm not trading this now. Ilya is asking about oil, WTI. Yeah, huge uptrend. These were signals. I need really to start trading this on my Camarilla MACD. Watch how many good signals we had. Watch these guys. Yeah, unfortunately, I haven't traded here, but this was very, very good. Yeah, all of them were good. So yeah, I would go buy the dip, Ilya. This is clear to me. This is the zone where you might look for short trades, 64.80, 64.99. But you see the ATR top was reached, so it's dropping now. I would go for a buy around this zone, 62.80. Watch for reversal pattern. So yeah, buying the dip or selling the rally. Next sell is here, because this sell is already happening, and I would rather sell it there. But for a trend trade, this is the zone to go long. Do you have any other question? Weekly L3, yes, it's also good, Ilya. It's also good because this is the confluence here. You see a lot of confluence. 62.35 is weekly L3. Watch for some reversal pattern. Yeah, I mean, this is the good level to go long. 62.35, yes. Buy the dip, indeed. No worries. Now, guys, I will roll the slides. If you have any other question, go ahead and ask me. If not, we can call it a day. So this is the euro dollar. This is the GBP dollar. This is the Australian dollar. This is the dollar CAD. This is the Bitcoin dollar. And this is the gold. So, yeah, I don't see any questions. I guess that everything is clear. Let's see if this week will be successful. I hope that it will. Of course, guys, invite all of your friends, traders, to our free webinars. And if you want more setups with, of course, more trading ideas and trade management and much more, sign up also for ECS.live, where we provide live signals trading ideas. Thank you guys for listening. Cheers. And as always, trade safe.